Hello YouTube, and welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel, whichever case it may be. Today we have a horizontal carry belt sheath for the Victorinox Swisschamp, the ultimate Swiss Army knife. Not that it's the biggest one. They make some really big ones. I should not have bitten off that thumbnail. There we go. And if you're not familiar with the Swisschamp, I can't remember how many tools are on here for the life of me. But there's quite a few. And I have actually. I've heard people say that these mini pliers, that they never use them, but I have definitely found uses for these. You never know when you're going to run into something where these will come in handy. And it even has a needle here, in case you want to coat the tip of your needle in poison and poke one of your enemies to end them. Because we've all had that urge before, let's be honest. So yeah, I'm going to put the link for this in the description. eBay link. I still need to get my Etsy store going. I keep saying I'm going to do it, but I just haven't done it yet. It's really quick and easy for me to list stuff on eBay, so I'll have that link in the description. And yeah, guess that's about all I have to show today. I guess I'll show the back side. I normally hide the back side because it's never the prettiest side, but that's not bad. I used to show my back side all the time when I was younger, but not anymore. And with that, thanks for listening.